Now let's talk about some things you can do proactively in your relationship to make relational intimacy a reality. The first thing is prioritizing your marriage involves planning and saying no. Involves planning and saying no. Ephesians 5 there, it says, in the same way husbands ought to love their wives as they love their own bodies, for a man is actually loving himself when he loves his wife. So again I say, each man must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband. What that's saying is this: your spouse should be their number one priority. Number one beyond you. God's got the only level higher than your spouse. And we need to change our priorities to reflect that. See, far too many of us, our priorities are driven by a bunch of other things, and our spouse gets the leftovers. Okay? I know because this is a hard one for me. This is one that I have struggled with quite a bit. See, I grew up as a pastor's kid, all right? So my dad was a pastor in a small church. And what you learn very quickly being a pastor's kid is everybody is looking at you all the time, all right? When a bunch of kids would do something wrong, if I was one of them, I was the only one whose dad got called, all right? That kind of tells you that people are watching you and expecting a higher standard. Now, as a pastor's kid, you can handle this one of two ways. You can either be really, really good, or you can rebel and say, you know what, heck with you, I'm not my dad, accept me how I am. Now, I happen to be the one who, really, really good. My brother, he had more fun. Because, he just said, I don't care what you think about me, and he didn't. So what happens for me then is, being a pastor myself now, is I can get caught up in talking to other people and literally forget my spouse is there. You guys ever been in those situations before? I'll be talking to someone, I'll be, because, I'm on the job, so I'm engaging with this person, and my wife will walk up and stand next to me. I won't even know she's there, and the person I'm talking to will go, who's that? Oh, shoot, okay, yeah, this is my wife. Sorry, I didn't even know she was here. This is something that I have to work on. What is it? It's a prioritizing. She needs to take top billing above my job and above all the other things that I do. This will communicate to your spouse that you are close and that you love your spouse more than a bunch of other things that you could do.